On February 23, 1987, the night sky from the Earth's southern hemisphere was enriched by a supernova, SN 1987A, the explosion of a massive star 168,000 light-years away. The model shows a 3D spatial distribution of the absorbing cold ejector, in white at the centre of the remnant, and the X-ray emission, the red-yellow ring, derived from a 3D MHD model of SN 1987A. The centre of the explosion and the position of the Crab Nebula. The Crab Nebula is the remnant of a supernova, SN, observed by Chinese astronomers in 1054 in the constellation Taurus. The inner part of the remnant is largely dominated by a pulsar wind nebula, PWN, which is the nebula powered by the wind generated by a central pulsar, a magnetized rotating nucleus.